Did you know that when a coati finds something fascinating, it signals the entire group by arching its tail into a perfect furry question mark? Did you know these jungle monkeys of the raccoon world can climb down a vertical tree trunk face first without ever losing their grip? Did you know a mother coati is a master architect, building a fortress-like nest high in the canopy to protect her kits from ground predators? Did you know coatis are one of the few mammals that can see with their noses, detecting prey buried several inches beneath the forest floor? Did you know these creatures are essentially the landscapers of the rainforest, responsible for planting thousands of trees through their unique diet? In the wild, coatis are known to live in home ranges that can cover several hundred acres of forest. They don't typically defend the entire range, but they will fiercely protect the specific trees where they sleep each night. The coati's digestive system is remarkably efficient at breaking down the cellulose found in the many types of fruit and plants they consume. This allows them to extract maximum nutrition from even low-quality food sources during the dry season. A coati's whiskers, or vibrissae, are located not just on their snout, but also near their eyes and on their forelegs. These sensitive hairs provide tactile feedback that helps them navigate through tight spaces in the dark or underground. When a coati is excited or curious, it will often hold its tail in a vertical position with a slight curve at the tip. This question mark tail posture is a clear visual signal to other band members that something interesting has been found. Coatis are very sensitive to changes in weather and can often be seen seeking higher ground or more secure shelter hours before a major storm arrives. Their instincts for atmospheric pressure changes help them avoid the dangers of flash floods. The tracks of a coati are very distinctive, showing 5 long toes and a clear palm print that looks remarkably like a tiny human hand. These prints are often found near water sources where the mud is soft and easy to indent. Coatis are capable of making very steep climbs up near vertical rock faces in mountainous areas. They use their powerful claws to grip tiny cracks in the stone, demonstrating strength and balance that rivals professional mountain climbers. A coati's heart rate can vary significantly depending on its activity level, dropping quite low during its deep nighttime sleep. This energy-saving measure is common in mammals that lead highly active lives during their waking hours. The kidneys of a coati are highly efficient at concentrating urine, which is a vital adaptation for those living in the arid regions of the southwestern United States. This allows them to survive for long periods without direct access to standing water. When foraging, a band of coatis will often spread out in a search line to cover more ground, but they always remain within earshot of one another. This organized approach maximizes their chances of finding scattered food sources like fallen fruit. Coatis have been known to play dead when they are overwhelmed by a predator, though this is a much rarer behavior than it is in opossums. More often, they will choose to fight back with surprising ferocity, using every claw and tooth at their disposal. The skeletal structure of the coati's tail contains many small, sturdy vertebrae that provide the necessary stiffness for balance. Despite this stiffness, the tail is still flexible enough to be moved in any direction to adjust the animal's center of gravity. Coatis are very clean animals and will often designate specific areas of their territory as latrines. By keeping their waste in one location, they reduce the chances of attracting predators to their sleeping or nesting sites. The intelligence of coatis has been compared to that of domestic cats or even some primates, particularly regarding their memory. They can remember the locations of seasonal fruit trees and return to them year after year at the exact right time. If a coati is forced to defend itself, it will arch its back and fluff out its fur to appear much larger than it actually is. This classic threat display is meant to intimidate an opponent and avoid a physical confrontation that could lead to injury. The white-nosed coati has a distinct white band around its muzzle and white spots around its eyes, which act as a form of disruptive coloration. This helps to break up the outline of their face when they are peering through thick foliage. Coatis have a very strong sense of touch in their front paws, which they use to investigate the texture of their food. They will often juggle or turn an object over in their paws several times before deciding if it is safe to eat. In certain parts of their range, coatis are known to enter caves to hunt for roosting bats or to seek shelter from extreme heat. Their ability to navigate in low-light conditions makes them effective, opportunistic hunters in these dark environments. The alpha female in a coati band is usually the oldest and most experienced member, and she makes the final decisions on where the group will travel and sleep. Her leadership is based on her proven ability to find food and avoid danger over many years. Coatis have a high tolerance for certain types of insect venom, allowing them to eat ants and bees that would be painful for other animals. They often use their paws to quickly swat and crush stinging insects before they can react. Thank you so much for joining us on this deep dive into the incredible world of the coati. These versatile and clever animals are a true testament to the wonders of wildlife in the Americas. If you enjoyed learning these facts, please give this video a like and subscribe to the channel so you never miss another wildlife adventure. We want to hear from you. Which coati fact surprised you the most? Was it their 180-degree rotating ankles or their complex social bands? Let us know in the comments below. We regularly upload new videos filled with amazing animal facts and the mysteries of the natural world, so be sure to hit that notification bell. Until next time, keep exploring and make sure to check out our other video on the hidden secrets of the rainforest right here.